This morning we're doing fetch. You ready? 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 Go get it. Hey, pretty girl. Thank you for that present. You ready to go again? All right, let's go somewhere else. Ready? Ready? Go over there. Oh, thank you. Okay, let's do another one. Let's go somewhere else. Ray wants the mouse and he doesn't understand why she's taking it away. Good job, girl. Good girl. Yeah. Ready? Ready? Go get it. Yeah, we could just keep doing this for hours. This is one of her favorite games. Ruh-roh. Thank you, baby doll. All right. Bye, Felicity. Everybody say bye.